We've had पेरेंट जो उनके बच्चों को छोटा छोटा वो बाबा शॉक देते थे कि उसका एपिलेप्सी ठीक हो जाएगा, उसका प्रॉब्लम ठीक हो जाएगा, बट नथिंग चेंज्ड एंड देन द पेरेंट ग्रेजुअली एक्सेप्टेड it.
But then a child had to suffer all
The
these
child
things.
suffered a lot. Father in the kitchen is the first lesson to gender equality. It resonates my readers that यहाँ अभी तो husband kitchen में जाना ही चाहिए.
Husbands don't take the responsibility. बच्चा ऐसा है ना तो सिर्फ मम्मी के ऊपर responsibility है, डैडी के ऊपर है नहीं. So how do you look at this?
So I always had this debate, not just because I belong to the
Other side of
other side and the opposite gender, but I feel that a mother has a special 9-month connection with the child, which a father would never ever have. वो 9-month extra privilege मम्मी को मिलता है. What a child learns from the mother, very less the child adapts from the father. But again, I'm talking about special needs.
Okay, so this is not in the case of.
But in case of a neurotypical child, then these particular skills, the gender roles then comes in, that boys pick up all the father's habits and girls pick up all the mother's behaviors. The parenting has become more of an Instagram parenting. Couples have started living in Instagram life. That whatever they see there has to happen in their real life, which is not the case. And therefore it has created a lot of conflicts among the couples because the expectations have raised. उधर जैसा है वैसा ही same to same होना चाहिए, but boss, that doesn't exist in reality one. And therefore it has impacted the mother's or the father's frustration, has impacted the child's growth a lot. Even a smallest thing like a child loves to swim is the child's passion. But unfortunately that passion is made into such a difficult structured training that the child hates swimming. So that should not be a competition, it should be a passion. बच्चे को गुस्सा आता है तो बच्चे को गुस्सा क्यों आता है और कैसे आता है. So when a child is just 3 to 4 years old, he sees that my father raises his eyebrows and talks, and my mother shouts when they are in a fight. Oh, this is how the anger has to be expressed. The child learns that क्योंकि उसको पता नहीं होता है कि गुस्से को कैसे express किया जाता है, right? अगर गुस्सा आया, my father is reading a book and my mother is sipping a glass of water, can also be a way to express an anger, but the child doesn't see this, so the child doesn't learn it. So if a parent who is emotionally well regulated will always have children who are calm. So parenting right नहीं है, wrong नहीं है. कभी भी वो बच्चों के सामने वो तेरा पेरेंट ये नहीं करता है या उसकी पेरेंटिंग रॉन्ग है वो कभी मत बोलो, बिकॉज द चाइल्ड विल लूज रिस्पेक्ट फॉर यू. एंड अगर आपसे अगर कुछ गलती हो गई है या अगर आपके पार्टनर ने आपको ऐसा बोल दिया कि यू शुड नॉट हैव डन दिस बट यू शुड हैव डन दिस, एंड ऑफ द डे द पर्पस इज कॉमन. सो वी आर वर्किंग फॉर अ कॉमन कॉज, अ कॉमन चाइल्ड, एंड वी हैव टू ग्रो अ चाइल्ड. सो आई थिंक यहाँ पर अगर बुरा लगता है तो इट इज यू शुड वर्क ऑन योर ईगो फर्स्ट. Because it was not good and bad, it was whatever was best for the child that parent did. Always have parenting at only when the child is around. Otherwise the couple should start spending a lot of time with each other, because then they realize that when the child has grown up and the child is out in his own world, then the couple do not have anything common to share and talk. And I think that's how then the distance starts.
Welcome to the new episode of Uniqueness with Disability, because empathy matters. लाइफ के एक स्टेज पे हम सभी पेरेंट्स बन जाते हैं. पेरेंटिंग के पास देखने का हर एक का एक अलग नज़रिया होता है, उसके चैलेंजेस अलग रहते हैं, पर इन चैलेंजेस को कैसे टैकल करना है ये एक एक्सपर्ट ही हमें बता सकता है. सो लेट्स वेलकम आवर गेस्ट ऑफ टुडे, डॉक्टर मिहिर पारेख, the expertise in parenting. This episode is sponsored by Mr. Karan Saldhana. Welcome to one more show of ours, sir. And this episode is special on my personal topic, that is parenting, and your books, which I've read, and I personally like your books. So इस एपिसोड में हम आपके बुक्स और आपके पेरेंटिंग टिप्स जो इंस्टाग्राम, फेसबुक हर जगह पे बहुत फेमस है, तो उसके बारे में हम इस एपिसोड में बात करेंगे.
Sure.
सो द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज़, कोई भी पेरेंट अपने बच्चे को जैसे है बच्चा वेदर बच्चा इज़ लाइक अ स्पेशल चाइल्ड है या न्यूरोटिपिकल चाइल्ड है, पर बच्चा जैसे है उसे एक्सेप्ट कैसे करें, वो क्या होना चाहिए हर पेरेंट में कि मेरा बच्चा जैसे है मैं उसे एक्सेप्ट करूँ।
ओके, सो ये जो क्वेश्चन है वो बहुत ही डिफ़िकल्ट है, बट आई वुड लाइक टू एड्रेस दिस के जब बच्चा बॉर्न होता है तो वो मम्मी के हाथ में आता है, स्पेशली अगर वो नॉर्मली डिलीवर्ड होता है तो बच्चा पूरा गंदा रहता है, राइट, बिकॉज द चाइल्ड हैज जस्ट कम आउट. तो तभी द चाइल्ड इज नॉट दैट गुड लुकिंग, डर्टी. सो हमारे पास तो फॉर फादर्स और दूसरे लोगों के पास तो बाहर बाद में लाया जाता है. But the mother is the one who sees the baby and the mother holds the baby close to the heart and she loves the baby because वो 9 months में already वो baby के साथ love में हो गई होती है. So मेरे ख्याल से एक यही चीज़ है जिसको कहते हैं unconditional love. That तू जैसा भी है या तू जैसी भी है, I love you a lot. So अगर पेरेंट इस तरीके का थॉट प्रोसेस रखे जहाँ पर इम्पोर्टेंट है कि वो बच्चे के शॉर्ट कमिंग्स, मतलब कि उसके कोई भी फॉल्ट्स, उसकी अच्छाइयाँ, तो अच्छाइयाँ ऊपर ज़्यादा फोकस करे, उसको ज़्यादा इम्प्रूव करे, और फिर ये माइंडसेट रखे दैट हर उंगली जैसे अलग होती है वैसे हर बच्चे भी अलग होते हैं. आई एम वेरी हैप्पी विथ वॉट माई चाइल्ड इज एंड मैं पूरा ट्राई करूँगी कि मैं इसको बेटर से बेटर इम्प्रूव करूँ, बट आई लव माई चाइल्ड अ लॉट. सो एवरी डे अगर वो अपने आप को ये बोलते रहेंगे पेरेंट्स, तो ऑटोमेटिकली वो अनकंडीशनल लव पेरेंट्स के अंदर आएगा जो नेचुरल है. लेकिन बीच बीच में ऐसे कुछ कुछ बाउट्स आते हैं जहाँ पर पेरेंट वो आइडियल बच्चा देखना चाहते हैं लेकिन वो बच्चा फॉर सम रीजन नहीं हो पाता है.
एज यू सेड कि मदर इज़ द फर्स्ट वन टू होल्ड द चाइल्ड, तो ऐसी कितनी माँ है ना जो उनको पता चला कि मेरा बच्चा विद स्पेशल नीड्स है, तो उन्होंने वो एक्सेप्ट ही नहीं किया, खुद ट्रॉमा में चली गई और फिर बच्चे को एक्सेप्ट ही नहीं किया. अभी बच्चा अच्छा 8-10 साल का हो गया है, स्टिल एज अ मदर दे डोंट एक्सेप्ट. तो इस केस में क्या है?
मैम इमेजिन करो, many a times it forces me hard to think this. एक 22 ईयर की चुलबुली लड़की या एक चुलबुला लड़का जिसने लाइफ में कभी ऐसा देखा ही नहीं है वेयर डॉक्टर्स या व्हाट दिस प्रॉब्लम इज, दैट प्रॉब्लम इज, एंड ऑल ऑफ अ सडन जब वो लोग पेरेंट्स बनते हैं बाय द एज ऑफ 25 और बिटवीन 30, उस टाइम पर उन पर ये ऐसा डायग्नोसिस आता है कि आपके बच्चे को से फॉर एग्जाम्पल ऑटिज्म है. सो सबसे पहले तो ये क्या है, हमारे घर पे तो आगे पीछे किधर कुछ ऐसा कुछ प्रॉब्लम ही नहीं है. तो ये सारी चीज़ों में उनको बहुत एक पेन होता है दैट देयर इज सम प्रॉब्लम, देयरफॉर पीपल आर सेइंग दैट इट इज़ अ प्रॉब्लम. और उसके बाद वो धीरे धीरे एक्सेप्टेंस तक लाना तो एक ग्रीफ साइकिल बन जाती है जहाँ पर पेरेंट्स तो पहले एक्सेप्ट ही नहीं करेंगे, उसके बाद वो लोग हर तरीका ढूंढेंगे कि ये प्रॉब्लम से मैं कैसे बाहर आऊँ. फिर और गुस्सा बढ़ेगा तो वो लोग भगवान के सामने कुछ बार्गेनिंग करेंगे कि मैं इतनी सीढ़ी चढ़ के आऊँगी, इतना लड्डू रखूँगी, एट्सेट्रा एट्सेट्रा. फिर कुछ और ट्राई करेंगे जहाँ पर द मदर और द फादर वुड गेट इनटू सम सेल्फ हार्मिंग बिहेवियर्स और बीटिंग द चाइल्ड बैडली. फिर पता चलेगा कि अब ये सब कुछ एडी चोटी का सब कर लिया, नहीं फ़र्क पड़ा है. सो देन द एक्सेप्टेंस साइकिल्स, द एक्सेप्टेंस कम्स इन. तो ये सारी जर्नी हर एक स्पेशल नीड के पेरेंट को होती है. And I think the parents should go through this, then they realize that how much important the acceptance is. So instead of saying that वो parent accept नहीं कर रहा है, वो journey में उनको डालना ज़रूरी है, guidances देने ज़रूरी है, and then they gradually start accepting that yes there is a challenge. और एक चीज़ कि जैसे वो parent तो try कर रहा है बच्चों को improve करने की, बट आजू बाजू के लोगों का सपोर्ट, उसी के एज के साथ के दूसरे बच्चे कहाँ से कहाँ निकल गए, एंड द चाइल्ड, ये बच्चा उस बच्चे जैसा नहीं है. तो ये चीज़ आई थिंक एज पेरेंट्स हमको और अंदर मार देती है दैट व्हाई माय चाइल्ड इज नॉट लाइक द अदर चिल्ड्रन. तो ये एम्पैथी शायद एक पेरेंट ही कर पाएंगे, एंड फिर वो धीरे धीरे ये करने लगते हैं कि चलो दे ऑल्सो सी द अदर चिल्ड्रन जिनकी कंडीशन और सिवियर होती है अपने बच्चों से, तब वो थोड़ा बेटर फील करते हैं कि उनसे ज़्यादा हम लोग बेटर पोजीशन में हैं.
जैसे मैं कह रही थी कि लाइक 2-3 दिन पहले मैंने एक टीवी शो पे देखा था कि एक सीपी चाइल्ड है, छोटा बच्चा है, और उसको उसके पेरेंट्स एक किसी बाबा के पास लेके गए थे. ओके, नाउ इट इज़, आई डोंट हैव टू टॉक एनीथिंग अबाउट एनी फेथ और समथिंग, उनका कुछ फेथ रहेगा, पर आई कुड सी दैट कि यहाँ से कुछ होने वाला है नहीं. तो ऐसे मामले में पेरेंट्स को कैसे समझाना है कि it is a medical condition, or it is that condition which, you know, these things will not help you.
How much ever we counsel the parent, how much ever the media does the role, and we are talking about a city like Mumbai, जहाँ पर पेरेंट्स पढ़े लिखे हैं, सब कुछ है, लेकिन फिर भी जिस तरीके से हमें जो ग्राउंडिंग मिली है या हमारी जो परवरिश हुई है, वहाँ पर द इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ स्पिरिचुअलिटी, एडिशनल प्लेसेस जहाँ पर कोई बाबा है या कहीं और है, वहाँ पर तो पेरेंट्स हर जगह पर वो पत्थर को पूजेंगे जहाँ उनको भगवान मिल जाए. तो ये चीज़ हम अवॉइड नहीं कर सकते हैं, बट द साइमल्टेनियसली we can always keep on psycho educating the parent. Don't go to quacks, they are just making money on you.
True.
कुछ सक्सेस स्टोरी शेयर करनी है तो शायद वो पेरेंट धीरे धीरे फील करने लगे कि नहीं, बट आई थिंक वी कैन नॉट स्टॉप देम. वी हैड पेरेंट जो उनके बच्चों को छोटा छोटा वो बाबा शॉक देते थे कि उसका एपिलेप्सी ठीक हो जाएगा, उसका प्रॉब्लम ठीक हो जाएगा, बट नथिंग changed, and then the parent gradually accepted it.
But then a child had to suffer all
The
these
child
things.
suffered a lot.
So what is that thing that inspired you to start writing? Like, you are a clinical psychologist and, you know, an author. So how did that journey begin?
So honestly, my journey of writing books began after I started writing those small quotes on social media. So when my child was very small, when my daughter was very small, so I used to see the places where she used to go, the kind of parenting myself and my wife used to give her. So then all that thing inspired me to write. Now one fine day, it was a suggestion from my wife, my partner, who tells me that why don't you compile everything in a form of a book? And I remember on one of my birthdays, she gave me a compiled book which had all my quotes. So then we thought that why can't we compile it in a form of a book? And then the book, the first book came out as a quote, and then there was a lot of explanation on that quote. So I think my daughter made me an author.
So it's good. I mean, she's your inspiration.
Yeah.
And how do you know, like, writing in a big message in those small 4 to 5 sentences, how do you convey that?
So wherever I see something, I immediately write it down in my own words, the central idea. And then somewhere, whenever I'm at ease, when I'm relaxing, I try to frame it in such a way that a short message just passes, and then I reframe it, get it checked, again reframe it, and then I put it.
The best part of your quotes, which I personally love, is you have your quotes and then you have your photograph or your daughter's photograph.
Yes.
You know, which connects you a lot. Most of the times, especially when एक dad और एक बेटी, उनका जो connection है ना, so it's sometimes, you know, आपके quotes से, आपके words से कुछ meaning ही नहीं रहता जितना आपके photograph से आता है. So that is the best thing what you have.
Thank you. So I think my readers are most mothers.
Yes, true.
And one particular tip that gave me a lot of success overnight, I would say, that particular post got viral, and that was father in the kitchen is father in the kitchen is the first lesson to gender equality, is what I had written. Yeah.
Yes, and that's true. Of course, every mother will relate.
It
to
resonates my readers that हाँ अभी तो husband kitchen में जाना ही चाहिए.
With the same, I mean, related to this, you know, most of the times, like when we sit as mothers of special children, we have this gossips going on and all, and then most of the times it is like, you know, we find that husbands don't take the responsibilities. It's like बच्चा ऐसा है ना तो सिर्फ मम्मी के ऊपर responsibility है, डैडी के ऊपर है नहीं. So how do you look at this?
So I always had this debate, not just because I belong to the
other side of
other side and the opposite gender, but I feel that a mother has a special 9-month connection with the child which a father would never ever have. वो 9-month extra privilege मम्मी को मिलता है. If you look at how the baby and the mother bonds, like baby को कुछ होता है तो मम्मी को पहले से पता होता है, and vice versa, is something that God has created. So how much ever a mother can do, वो father कितना भी try करेगा ना तो वो नहीं meet up ho paega. So a mother's absence is never replaced. I always feel that. Of course, the father अपने basic jobs की responsibility ले like um, knowing what's happening with the child. Of course, sponsoring the fees if the mother is not working outside, or maybe teaching something to the child as a special skill that can relieve the mother for some time. But otherwise, what a child learns from the mother, very less the child adapts from the father. But again, I'm talking about special needs.
Okay, so this is not in the case of.
But in case of a children who is a typical neurotypical child, then these particular skills, the gender roles then comes in, that boys pick up all the father's habits and girls pick up all the mother's behaviors.
Okay, really, I thought it is, daughter generally अपने डैडी से बहुत close रहती है तो.
They want a father, a husband like her father, or he should be like my father, because fathers treat their daughters as their queens. Princess, sorry. But otherwise, when we talk about the general roles, it's the same gender that they pick up.
And how do you think, like, ये decades में, like, parenting कितना change हुआ है आपको लगता है?
Parenting definitely has undergone change with changing times. और चेंज क्यों हुआ है, मैं बोलूँगा ऑफ लेट अगर मैं करंट देखूँ तो द पेरेंटिंग हैज़ बिकम मोर ऑफ एन इंस्टाग्राम पेरेंटिंग. Couples have started living in Instagram life, that whatever they see there has to happen in their real life, which is not the case. And therefore it has created a lot of conflicts among the couples because the expectations have raised. उधर जैसा है वैसा ही सेम टू सेम होना चाहिए, but boss, that doesn't exist in reality, one. And therefore it has impacted the mother's or the father's frustration, has impacted the child's growth a lot. And keeping into mind the alpha generation where kids are born with a mobile phone in their hand, therefore kids are expected to know things very fast. They're expected to match up to the parents' pace, which the parents eventually have evolved over time, but they're expecting their child to do it right.
ऐसे डोंट यू थिंक कि पेरेंट्स है ना अपना ईगो या अपने जो ड्रीम्स कंप्लीट नहीं हुए हैं वो अपने बच्चों पे फोर्स करते हैं इन अ फॉर्म ऑफ कंपटीशन? डू यू थिंक इट्स, आई मीन दिस इज द केस which I think is happening more.
So somewhere the parents have only one thing to say कि हमने जो हमारे टाइम पे हमको नहीं मिला ना वो तुम्हारे टाइम पे तो तुमको मिलता है तो तुम लोग करते नहीं हो. But somewhere it is their unfulfilled dreams that comes into the play. And therefore even a smallest thing like a child loves to swim. The child loves to swim is the child's passion. But unfortunately that passion is made into such a difficult structured training that the child hates swimming.
Right.
So that should not be a competition, it should be a passion.
आपको क्या लगता है, लाइक पेरेंट्स का इमोशनल इंटेलिजेंस जो है वो पेरेंटिंग में कितना इम्पोर्टेंट है?
बहुत ज़रूरी. अ वर्ड कॉल्ड एज सेल्फ रेगुलेशन और इमोशनल रेगुलेशन. बच्चे को गुस्सा आता है तो बच्चे को गुस्सा क्यों आता है और कैसे आता है? So when a child is just 3 to 4 years old, he sees that my father raises his eyebrows and talks, and my mother shouts when they are in a fight. Oh, this is how the anger has to be expressed. The child learns that क्योंकि उसको पता नहीं होता है कि गुस्से को कैसे एक्सप्रेस किया जाता है, right? A child doesn't know how to eat with a spoon. We teach them how to eat with a spoon. Likewise, they learn this also. Instead, अगर गुस्सा आया, my father is reading a book and my mother is sipping a glass of water, can also be a way to express an anger, but the child doesn't see this, so the child doesn't learn it. So if a parent who is emotionally well regulated will always have children who are calm.
And that matters
a lot. I think we have, or we should have, these kind of children in the nation who work with their brains and not with their emotions.
So what message would you like to give it to fathers? That one message कि एक तो responsibilities लो उस हिसाब से, और दूसरी बात अगर आपको ये बार बार आप ले रहे हो रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज पर फिर भी आपको ये सुनना पड़ रहा है तो हाउ टू just come out of it?
So I feel that when your child is born, you are also born as a parent, right? Otherwise you were never a parent before. So parenting right नहीं है, wrong नहीं है. कभी भी वो बच्चों के सामने वो तेरा पेरेंट ये नहीं करता है या उसकी पेरेंटिंग रॉन्ग है, वो कभी मत बोलो, बिकॉज द चाइल्ड विल लूज रिस्पेक्ट फॉर यू. एंड अगर आपसे अगर कुछ गलती हो गई है या अगर आपके पार्टनर ने आपको ऐसा बोल दिया कि यू शुड नॉट हैव डन दिस बट यू शुड हैव डन दिस, एंड ऑफ द डे द पर्पस इज कॉमन. So we are working for a common cause, a common child, and we have to grow a child. So I think यहाँ पर अगर बुरा लगता है तो it is you should work on your ego first, because it was not good and bad. It was whatever was best for the child that parent did.
So do you take one-to-one parents counseling session also, or
Yes.
do you just take students?
No, so how does the process go? That the parent will come first. They will talk about their child's problem. I also understand that whether the child needs counseling or the parents need the most. After the parent session is done, then we interact with the child. We also get to hear another side of the story that the child is wanting to share. And then we try to have a common family counseling where the goals that we set for the family to work, the child shouldn't feel कि मुझे ही क्यों काम करना है, मैं ही क्यों समझूं. It's always a two-way process where the parents also pitch in.
आजकल बहुत सारी सेपरेशन केसेस है पेरेंट्स की, तो इसके मामले में आप पेरेंट्स से क्या बोलोगे? लाइक ऑफ कोर्स पेरेंट्स में कुछ डिस्प्यूट्स है, वो सेपरेट हो रहे हैं, पर बच्चे का जो बीच में ना, लाइक चाइल्ड इज लाइक अ सैंडविच, तो फिर पेरेंट्स ने क्या करना है?
So I remind my quote, of course, वो word to word नहीं होगा, but when parents come together and think of having a child, then why do they do not think about a child when they are getting separated? Such a important thing. So with all, so if the parent feels that the relationship has gone too toxic, okay, which is harming the child, then only I feel that the parent should think of getting separated. Otherwise, it is such a beautiful relationship. You have to invest, you have to grow in the relationship, so the child starts understanding, oh, my definition of marriage in the future will be like my parents.
So they can be a kind of role model for.
Correct. And when the child starts growing, the parents should always have parenting at only when the child is around. Otherwise, the couple should start spending a lot of time with each other. Because then they realize that when the child has grown up and the child is out in his own world, then the couple do not have anything common to share and talk. And I think that's how then the distance starts beginning.
So this concept of why, which is my favorite book. So,
it's mine too.
Yes. So ये why की concept आपके मन में कैसे आई, मतलब?
So again, as I told, my daughter pushed me to write, and when she was 2.5 to 3 years, she had a lot of questions. हम ऐसा क्यों नहीं करते, हम ऐसा क्यों करते हैं, why should we do this, आप इधर नींबू मिर्ची क्यों लगाते हो, what is the reason? So then my wife pushed me, and then she said, now you write, you've already written 2 books, then why don't you use this as your topic where you add all these whys, answer it, what does this why mean? So I have backed up with a story, because it is for children. So there is a story that supports that why, and then there are scientific evidences that why you should follow this. So it was primarily with that objective.
So like your quotes इतने famous है आपके quotes, so ऐसे कभी हुआ है कि आप कहीं गए हो और एक आध फैमिली ने आके आपको बुलाया कि आपके कोट्स ने हमारा फैमिली का सिनेरियो कंप्लीट चेंज कर दिया?
So there have been so many times where people who follow me on Instagram, and when I go out for a cafe or with friends, so then, oh, see, he's the one who rides there. And then the mother or the wife would come and say, oh, sir, I'm your fan. And the husband would be jealous. And then the husband would come and say, कि आपके कोच हमारे घर पे बहुत झगड़ा कराते हैं. So many a times it happens. But on a serious note, yes, it feels good that at least you are reaching out to so many people, just not in Mumbai, but across the globe. Because when I see my, if I study that, how does that Facebook and Instagram work? I have people following me from so many parts of the world that it surprises me that, oh, people are reading it.
Yes, because parents are everywhere, and parents को वो tips, मतलब आप कहीं पे भी जाइए ना, वो common factor तो same है ही सब में, तो वो तो आपको follow करना है. Any new book which is coming up from Dr. Mihir Parekh, which we are waiting?
So multiple are in the pipeline. I'm writing many books together. So one is which I've already announced is the 12-week academic success The other is Parenting in Kali Yuga, and
Wow,
the
sounds
third is
interesting.
Y2.
Okay.
So I'm simultaneously writing as and when the time permits. So let's hope which one comes up first.
So, which is your favorite baby from this?
My favorite baby is this.
Okay.
It's Life Tweets 2. So it is a compilation of all my counseling experiences, which I believe the parent of teenagers should go through, because it is all about teaching compassion and gratitude to children.
And that is very
Very
important in
important.
today's world. So, like, where do we get these books? Are they available in the store, online, or how?
So they are not available in any of the crosswords, but everything, all the books are available on Amazon, Flipkart. They are easily available.
Okay. So, that one experience that you have, that one feedback जो आपके बुक्स के बारे में आपको किसी से मिला है and you remember it.
So I explicitly remember this. ये जो वाई बुक है उसमें देयर इज़ अ चैप्टर कि हमें दही चीनी क्यों खानी चाहिए जब कोई अच्छा काम करते हो. So there was this boy who kept on fighting with his mother that आप मैं बाहर जाता हूँ तो दही चीनी आप लोग कोई एग्जाम्स के टाइम पे खाने के लिए बोलते हो, बट आई नीड अ रीज़न टू इट. So when this book came out and when the mother explained him the reason, he understood कि अच्छा ये करने से ये होता है, ये करने से ये होता है. So then the mother personally called me up and she said that thank you. I as a parent would not know how to convince that young teenager, but your book did. And that book did with a lot of scientific explanation, which my teenager got through. So I think that's a big thing that I think I have touched a life.
True, sir. I mean, as I said, कि ये मेरा भी favorite है. So it becomes very easy for us to answer the questions which kids ask.
In fact, एक बच्चा था उसने superstitions, because this book is on superstitions. तो एक प्रोजेक्ट किया था on superstitions, and that superstitions project was backed up by my book.
Oh, good.
So then I felt that even in this small young children, this book has made an impact.
Of course it did. So thank you, sir.
My pleasure.
It was
Always.
amazing meeting you, and I'm very happy. Like, on behalf of my whole team, it's a big thank you to you for.
My pleasure. Thanks a lot.
I'm sure this episode was very informative and helpful as a parent. Let us know in comment box what are your challenges as parents. Until then, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.